Howdy folks, welcome back to Doing Brew. Today we're going to be replacing the power cord on a dishwasher. When I did my remodel, I put the outlet for the dishwasher directly behind the dishwasher itself. Now the installed straight plug on the dishwasher sticks out too far and doesn't let me push the dishwasher all the way back into the space between the cabinets. What we're going to do is we're going to take out the cord that is a standard cord that has a long end on it. I'm going to put this low profile cord on, which I think is going to allow me to push the dishwasher back as far as I need it to go. First thing we have to do is take off the front faceplate of the dishwasher. Let's go ahead and do it. That's right, Big Dill. Let's get crack-a-lackin'. So taking off that front faceplate, it's actually pretty easy. It's only held on by 2 screws. We'll unscrew those and it just falls out of the way. Whenever you're working on any electrical appliance, make sure you read and understand all of the warnings and cautions with your appliance before you begin your work. And of course, always unplug the appliance. Now we'll open up the junction box by unscrewing a single screw, and the junction box will hinge open. And it's a simple 2-wire connection, which means there's a hot, a neutral, and a ground wire. So we'll go ahead and disconnect the ground and then the other 2 wires. And next we got to work on getting these old wires out. I'm going to go ahead and cut off the back of the cord and pull out the wires 1 or 2 at a time. That'll make it much easier to get the sheathing out. Next we need to remove the junction box connector. This holds the cord securely in place and prevents it from being pulled out. Unfortunately, you have to break the old connector, but the new ones are readily available at your local hardware store and they're only $1 or $2. We'll feed the new cord end, the part that goes into the junction box, through the connector and then lock the cord in place. Okay, that's nice and secure. Now we need to get back underneath the dishwasher and feed the bitter end of the cord back through the junction box and lock the connector back in place. And now it's time to reconnect all of our electrical wires. The first I'll do is the ground wire, mostly just to get it out of the way so it's not hindering me putting on the wire nuts on the neutral and hot wire. And once you have that wrapped around the screw, use your screwdriver, and it's a test of patience now to line up the screw in the hole that the ground wire screw goes into. But eventually we'll get it. And next we need to connect our hot and neutral wires. We'll twist them together and then secure them with the wire nuts that were actually installed in the dishwasher originally. Okay, now we'll just do a quick ops check on the dishwasher. We'll plug it in and see if the indicator lights flash, and they do. So we've got power to our dishwasher. We're good to go. Now, just to be on the safe side, I'll disconnect the dishwasher from the outlet. Neatly tuck all the wires back into the junction box and secure the junction box screw. And I'll plug the dishwasher in one last time, and we'll go ahead and reinstall the dishwasher underneath the countertop. Really helps to have an extra set of hands. Big Dill's helping me out. Look at the guns on that guy. He's pulling the drain line and water supply lines through the back of the sink for me, preventing those lines from getting crimped or bent in any way. Folks, and we're done. Pretty easy project all the way around. Only took me about 15-20 minutes. Certainly something you can do and save yourself a lot of money in the process. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and a like button is always appreciated, and I'm always looking for new subscribers. Hey, best of luck on your project, guys, and we'll see you next time on Doing Brew.